Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn ICT with Chandima. So today I hope to introduce you the MS Outlook tips and tricks. So starting from quick parts in Outlook. So this is a feature in Outlook that allows you to create a reusable text block for email messages. So they are called built-in blocks. Once created, you can access them and use them anytime, which will save time typing the same constant text in every email. So to create this new email block, first of all, you must select a new email message. Let's say you need to use this content over and over and send them for your later. So I'll type this content for the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'll just highlight this entire paragraph, and let's say you need to send this for number of people for later, in a sense, in your email messages. So you can save this content under the quick parts. You can see under your quick access toolbar I have added the new feature. This is quick parts. Let's say if you can't find this feature on your navigation pane, you can easily download from this down arrow key customize quick access toolbar. Right, from here you only need to select more commands, and there you can find under the all commands quick parts in Outlook. So here under the queue you can find this feature. Right here. Quick parts. So I have already added this feature into my customized toolbar. So this is the feature quick parts, right? If you can, if you are not select these quick parts from this pane, you can add here, or else if you need to, if you want to remove this, you can remove, right? Likewise, you can add this part to your navigation pane, right? So this is how you can add this feature. So click this quick access toolbar down arrow key, right? Then you need to select this save selection in quick part gallery. Here you can see I have saved some content in my previous emails. So save this selection to quick parts in gallery, so it will open the new building block for you. You can name this like say sample, right? So you can save this description. Under description you can copy, Control and V, you can copy. First of all you need to copy this, Control C, then after that you can paste, then select OK. So let's see how we can reuse this. So let's say you are opening a new email message. If you need to add that content to your mail, only thing is you just click this drop down under quick parts and select this sample. This is how you can use this. Let's say if you need to delete or if you need to modify the content, same way, click this drop down, and you can right mouse click and edit properties, right? You can edit your content like this, right? Or let's say if you need to erase this content, you can select right mouse click and organize and delete. Same way you can click and delete. This is how you can delete this content, right? Likewise you can delete some old content, right? So likewise you can over and over use these quick parts in Outlook for your day-to-day work. Okay, let's start the second tip, that is reusable message and template. First of all, you must select the template. Let's say for example I need to save this template for my later refer. So I'm going to select this file, and you have to select this save as. So your save as type should be Outlook template, right? And give the letter. I have a number of save templates earlier, so I'm going to use this, say, duck. I'm going to save this. So after that, let's see how we can reuse this template. Under this new items drop down, you can see more items. Under the more items, you have to select choose form. So under this looking, you have to select the user templates in file system. There you can find the save templates. So I gave the name as doc. So select that file name and open. So only thing is you just need to change the recipient details and CC and the subject. If you want to change, you can change the subject like this, and you can send for the party you wish to. This is how you can use the template. Okay, next step, to use the color code to your calendar or the emails. So under my email inbox, you can see the color category is there. Let's say if your Outlook in pain you can't find this. If you can't find this category, what you can do is just select view, and here you can see the add columns. So under this add column, you can easily add the categories. Now I have already added these categories. Let's say if you want to add these categories, what you can do is select this category panel and add, then select OK. So same way you can add this category to your pane. I am going to expand this, which I can show you easily. Right, this is the category. So let's see how you can color this category. So I'm going to select my important emails. This is important, so I'm going to select this email, right mouse click, and you can go to your all categories and rename the category, say yellow GAC meetings, right? If you want to rename this, you can rename and say important. Likewise, you can rename and give the specific color to this email, put it OK. So I have already added these color codes, right? So same way I'm going to apply again to this. Right mouse click and select import. So you have already categorized this. Let's see how we can see this. See, important emails. So if you click this categorize label, you can see the important mails display here, right? Likewise, you can give the color codes to your specific emails. So let's say if you can't find this color categories, what you can do is you can search this. Click there. If it's take time, you can select find more on the server. So it will find you the related mails, but it take time. Yes, it will search both importance and very important mail. I only need to search the important mail. So select only that important mail first. Let's see the results of that color code. Right. Likewise, you can search the color categorize code using this. So we'll see the color categorization for the meetings. Like for example, you can turn on your all buses meeting all in red, or show meetings or different locations, particular meetings you can make it some other color, right? You can apply color codes like this. We'll see using the calendar, right? You can automatically apply the color codes using the conditional formatting. So for that, you only need to select view. So under the view settings, you can select conditional formatting, right? So just select add. You can rename this as, say, I have some weekly project meeting, so I can name as weekly project, right? So I need to make all my meetings using this color, purple, right? So you can apply the condition, search for word saying weekly project. So organized by, you can apply who is the person who organized this, right? Or else you can make it straight away okay. Let's see how the color codes apply for these meetings. See, all my meetings change to this color purple automatically. So likewise, you can apply your all current emails or the upcoming meetings using this color categorization. So under your inbox, if you select the meetings, upcoming meetings, from here you can see using the color codes, different color codes apply for this. Let's see another tip, that is to turn off autocorrect for the original message text. That's mainly for the spell checker. Let's say how we can do the spell checker prior to send emails. So for that you need to automatically on make it on using this file. Under the options, select mail. Under the mail you can see the spell checker. So compose message, you can see the spell checker here. Under the compose messages, you need to select tick this checkbox, that is for always check spelling before sending. So if you select this option, it will automatically check the spellings prior to send the emails. For example, I'm going to type my letter here. See, it's marked. So you can automatically check this red underline and send this word. So this is how you can do the spell checker. So same way you can do the request receipt for all outgoing messages. That is second tip, how we can use this request receipt note. So for that you need to select, if you need to automatically do this read receipt note for your every email, you must tick this file options, like I mentioned you earlier. Under the file, select options. So under the mail tab, so you need to select the tracking. So if you select this option, it will automatically give the read receipt for every messages under the tracking, right? Tick this read receipt confirming the recipient view messages, or else delivery receipt confirming the message was delivered to the recipient email server, right? If you select this, it will automatically give you the delivery receipt. Or else you can tick this read receipt for your email. Let's say if you don't want to give the read receipt for your every email, so then you don't want to tick here. For that, let's say if you need, say I'm going to create a new email. How we can get the read receipt. alert, right? So when you're creating the mail individually, you can set read receipt by selecting under the options, right? So here you can see read request a read receipt, right? This is how you can set individual read receipt requests or the request deliver receipt, right? Okay, we'll see another tip. This is how you can use mentions, add mentions to get someone's attention to this email. Suppose you are creating the new email, say hi, and if you need to get someone's attention, you need to give this head sign. With the head sign, you can give someone's email. So you need to make attention to this recipient, and you can give the message. Likewise, you can use this hat sign with the name, right? So it will automatically give the name also to here. Okay, next tip, how to reduce the size of attached pictures. So when you create new email, you can attach the pictures using this insert attach file, right? I'm going to attach this image, right? So the advantage is you don't want to resize this automatically. You can select under the file tab info. Here just tick resize large images when I send this message, right? This is how you can attach the images to the recipient. Or let's say if you need to attach the bigger size of files, maximum say more than 6 MB, so it will take time to send those types of attachments. So always try to send those attachments using the link. So to create the link, you must use the MS Team or else the OneDrive. I'll show you one. So this is my OneDrive. Open the OneDrive and try to upload the current folder or the file to this OneDrive. So I'm going to log in with my account. Let's see how we can give the link to the specific folder. Okay, so to attach those the files which you can see on your desktop, first of all I'm going to create the folder because I have more than one files. So give the name for the folder, say the same name you can give. It's already they are the same name, so I'm going to change the file name. Okay, now this is the folder. So open that folder. So you can do one thing. Just minimize this. Right. You can drag and drop the files which you can see on your desktop. This is one easiest way. So the folder I must check from the desktop first. Yeah, open the file, right? So highlight the entire file first, right? Now on your OneDrive, I need to move these 3 files to this folder Xoff. So you should have to be inside this folder, right? Then move the cursor point to these highlighted files, drag and drop. This is how you can move these files to the OneDrive. See, you can see the message is uploading. Right, now 3 files attached. So I am going to open the folder first because inside the folder you can see 3 files. So if you need to attach this as a link to the Outlook, under the triple dot, click share, or else you can say copy link. Right? You can copy this link, click copy, then open your Outlook. Right? Here you can paste the link. If after when you send this, they can open this folder. So I'm going to close this OneDrive. So I'm going to send the same name to my address, same email to my address, and in the subject as link the files. Okay, let's see how we can open this link. Now it will come back to my email. Right, it's already there. Right, this is the file. Let's see how we can open the link. So you must click the control and left click. This is how you can open the files. So this is one method that you can share the biggest file using this OneDrive. Share always using the link. Okay, now let's look at the next tip. That is, you can have instant messages. That is IM. IM is the instant message conversations with one or more contacts. So let's see how we can connect to this instant message. So under the inbox, let's say I need to contact with this party. Click the mail. So under the home, you can see the triple dot. There you can see the reply with IM. So the IM means like it will automatically connect to your Teams window. There you can attach and send messages, right? Let's see how we can use this. Here it will automatically connect with your Teams. Right now you are connected with this party. You can send messages, right? And you can attach whatever the documents. So the same way, without replying through the mail, you can easily connect with the instant message. Reply with IM. That is one tip you can find in MS Office. So let's see the next tip. That is how can I share my calendar? Right. Let's say if you need to share your calendar with the party you need to connect. So for that you need to click this calendar icon. Right. Then on the home tab, right, you can see the triple dot here. There you can see the share group. So click that and you can click the calendar icon from here, right? So you can add the party you need to share your calendar. For example, I'm going to connect the person, giving the name, right, with this person. If you select OK, right, now you can give the permissions from here. Can view when I am busy, can view titles and locations, or if you need to give the rights to edit your calendar, you can select can edit, right? If you need to grant only the view, you can select can view all access to this person, and you can apply and OK. Okay, let's see the next tip. This is how you can share calendar in Outlook. So earlier I showed you how you can share your calendar to the recipient, but this is something else. This is share your calendar through the mail. So for that you need to let's say email calendar is not visible in your pane under the calendar. Let's say share calendar. Now I have added to my quick access toolbar this email calendar. Let's say if you can't find in your ribbon, in your navigation pane, the email calendar like I showed you earlier, you can add under the quick access toolbar. You can add that component using these more commands and select all email calendar starting from E. Right. Now I have already added to my quick access, so likewise you can add from this number of lists email calendar, right? Click here and you can add, right? So likewise I have already added that email calendar. So what you can do is just click this button. It will open your new email, then it will ask availability only or the limited details or the full details. If you select full details, what it will do is it will apply all details for booked already in your calendar. Or else, let's see, you can limit the details, you can select the limited, right? Or else you can apply the availability using the today or next 7 days or the specific dates you can set. Say I need to include the specific date starting from say March 1st week. Select OK. So it will add it to your body. Like this way you can share your calendar. It will the recipient can see the availability, free or busy, or the availability according to the bookings. Right? Then you can send to the recipient. This is one tip that you can share your email calendar. Okay. Now let's see how we can use the delay option. So we'll start from the new email. Let's say you need to send this email, but you need to apply the delay in 1 minute. So you can see under the options, right, the triple dot, you can see delay delivery, right? So email format delay delivery means do not deliver before the time that you have set. Select this delay delivery, right? Here you can see under the delivery options, do not deliver before. Now it's time 6/3, right? You need the date is 6/3. You need to set the time. Say now the time is 10:36. So I'm going to set 10:37, right? Close. Now I'm going to send to myself. Let's see how the message will go in, right? Okay. Now message sent. Now under the inbox, it will remaining in the Outlook till the time start. Now it's 10:37. If this time is beyond, it will automatically send, right? Likewise you can see send the delivery. I'll show you another one. Say this email you need to forward again to me, right? So under the triple dot you can see, sorry, it's under options, triple dot, delay delivery. Here you can set the time limit. Say the time I need to show you, say 10:40, right? Let's see how the message going to say. So you can see the email is remaining under the outbox till it past 10:40, because now the time is 10:38. Let's see how the response. So this is the advantage of this is, let's say if accidentally if you have sent the wrong message or the wrong attachment, later you can go back to the outbox and you can erase this, right? Still it's 10:38. The time is there to delete. Or else I'll show you how this message will send back. It's 10:39 now. Right. So I have already given the time limits to 10:40. Another 30 seconds were there. So after when it passes 10:40, the message will deliver to the recipient. So I have sent this message to myself. Let's see how the mail sent. Right. So likewise, you can send the delay delivery message. Okay. Let's see how we can read and dictate the words in your inbox. Let's say this mail. Right? If you need to read this, I'm going to forward this to someone. So prior to forward this, you can read this loud using this, or you can right mouse click and select read aloud, or else under the review you can see read aloud. When you click this, you can hear the voice.
UGA Grade application has been upgraded. Please ask the users to upgrade their respective application when prompted. Thanks and best regards. Noel.
Likewise, you can
From
hear
Andama
the
Pereira.
words, right? The same way you can dictate. When you create a new email, you can dictate the words. For that, you can select the triple dot, select dictate. This feature you can find in all Word and Outlook and the PowerPoint. Only thing is, just under the message you can see the triple dot, select dictate, right? This is your first Outlook tips and tricks. Again, I'm going to put it off. Likewise, you can dictate your own words in MS Outlook. Okay, hope you enjoy with these new tips and tricks today. We'll see you soon with the next topic with MS Outlook 365. So please subscribe my channel and we'll see you soon.